Hey, what's going on, everybody? Rick here, coming at you with another weekly roundup of theme park news, rumors, and opinions. Hey, what's up, gang? Nikki's not with me today. She was feeling just a tiny bit under the weather, so she's resting up so she can be ready for the in-park update video that we're going to record and post on Monday. But since she wasn't here, I was able to do my little Dr. Evil chair spin. Also, as a result of her not being here, this video will probably be a little shorter than usual, you know, because she does half the talking in these things. But anyway, on to the news. Let's begin with some special event info, shall we? Walt Disney World announced the dates for the 2023 Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party. The Magic Kingdom After Hours event will include trick-or-treating, the Boo to You Halloween Parade, fireworks, and more. The special event is set to begin on August 11th and run on select nights through November 1st. The Not So Scary Party runs from 7 p.m. to midnight, but party ticket holders will be able to enter the Magic Kingdom as early as 4 p.m. Mark your calendars. Tickets go on sale to the general public on May 2nd, but guests who stay at select Walt Disney World Resort hotels can purchase tickets starting on April 27th. Ticket prices will range between $109 and $199 depending on the date. Annual pass holders and DVC members can get a $10 discount per ticket for select event nights. For more information, visit the Walt Disney World website. You know what? I'll just leave a link to it. OrlandoInformer.com. A lot of you are familiar with them because of the special event called the Orlando Informer Meetup that they host at Universal Studios. Well, they do sell daytime tickets for Universal Orlando theme parks, SeaWorld theme parks, and Gatorland, as well as Halloween Horror Night tickets. But they have now added a new offering to their lineup, which could help save you some money. Orlando Informer is now selling Universal Orlando Express passes. Looks like you can save up to $26 on those as compared to prices at the gate. Disney's 50th anniversary celebration is over. It's time to move on to a new celebration. The resort is getting ready to celebrate the Walt Disney World Company's 100th anniversary. As part of the company-wide Disney 100 celebration, Disney World is getting several limited time offerings, including new photo ops, specialty treats, and a new light show on Spaceship Earth. Sticking with Disney World news, the Edna Mode experience is returning to Disney's Hollywood Studios. The character meet and greet space will feature Edna Mode, Mr. and Mrs. Incredible, Frozone, and Sully. It will be part of what Disney calls a reimagined Pixar Place. Look for that at Disney's Hollywood Studios starting on May 14th. Yep, I'm getting the sense that this video is moving a lot quicker without Nikki chiming in her 2 cents and opinions on every story. But you know, I think it's causing the video to feel more newsy news than casual conversation. So I think I already know, I can already see the comments. Rick, I like the video better with Nikki. That is one of the most popular comments I've had over the 6 years of doing this, and I would agree with you. I miss my partner as well. We have to move on to the next story, which is, oh my goodness, another Disney story. Disney World temporarily suspends the fire effect on the Maleficent Dragon float in its Festival of Fantasy parade. The move comes after a Maleficent Dragon prop caught fire during the Fantasmic show at Disneyland in California. Not well done, Dragon. Not well done. So it looks like because of that, they're going to suspend the Dragon Fire effect that's in our Festival of Fantasy parade. I guess they probably use the same firing mechanism. But like I said, poorly done, Dragon. Poorly done. Disney World annual pass holders now have a little more flexibility when it comes to their theme park visits. Disney World pass holders can now visit the theme park after 2 p.m. without needing a park reservation, except, there's got to be a caveat, except for Saturdays and Sundays at the Magic Kingdom. Now, that works out for me because I like to be spontaneous. So it's good for me to know that after 2 p.m., if I get the urge to pop into a Disney park, make a video, or just visit for some fun, I can do it without having to make that pesky reservation. All right. Finally, here's some Universal news. Universal Orlando is rolling out pass holder perks starting on May 1st through May 26th. Starting May 1st, pass holders can use a special entrance at Islands of Adventure from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. The entrance will be located at the park's exit turnstiles marked with UOAP. Pass holders can also order exclusive menu items at select locations, including Confisco Grill at Islands of Adventure, Lombard's Seafood Grill at Universal Studios Florida, and Anahitos on City Walk. Okay. Oh, there's also an exclusive Jurassic Park-inspired magnet for pass holders, which can be picked up starting in May. The free pass holder magnet can be found at the Five and Dime at Universal Studios. They're on Hollywood Boulevard. From park open to park close, and then also at the new UOAP Lounge in Toon Lagoon at Islands of Adventure. That's going to be from 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. Now, at the time of this recording, we believe that Pass Holder Lounge will open for real on May 1st, but there may be some soft openings before that. So April is ending and May is upon us. You know what I'm looking forward to in May? Surfing pipe. Do you want to surf pipe? You think you can surf pipe? Well, we'll soon find out because SeaWorld Orlando is opening up Pipeline, the surf coaster, in May. I hope to be there on opening day. I like to do opening day of things. So hopefully that'll work out for us. And even though they haven't announced the actual date. So hopefully it works out. But anyway, that's kind of my penciled in plan is to attend opening day at SeaWorld of Pipeline, the surf coaster. Let's go hang 10. That'd be a good date for it, May 10th. Hang 10 on May 10th. SeaWorld, you can have that. I don't know if you've been having meetings on a good opening date. There you go. You can hang 10 on May 10. And now we have some shout outs. Now, this is where I really miss Nikki because this is what she usually does because sometimes I can mess up these names and have to fudge them a bit. But anyway, some shout outs. We have some new supporters. You can become a supporter by clicking the join button on the YouTube homepage for RixFlix, or you can become a patron on Patreon. There's links to all that in the description box. But here's the new ones for this week. Fudge Factor, a producer. More producers include Timothy Brunel, Rican Girl, and Frank S. And then we also have a new supporter in Joshua Bernard. Thank you guys so much for joining the team, helping the channel. It really keeps us doing what we're doing. You know, the YouTube can be weird and the whole internet can be weird. So you guys supporting the channel really adds stability to the channel and allows us to keep doing what we're doing. And maybe one day getting Nikki on here full time. Maybe, just maybe. Hopefully so. Although I can let you know, she did sign her contract for next year. So she will be working next year, but who knows what the future holds. And anyway, that's all I have for you this week. So make sure you are subscribed to the channel so you don't miss the magic, you don't miss the fun. See you next time.
His name is Rick, her name is Nikki, showing how theme parks are done. Don't miss the magic, don't miss the fun. Hit subscribe.